What's up, guys? Bought this Birchwood Casey Target Stapler, and I feel like such an idiot because I could not figure out how to get this thing to work. There's no instructions. Looked up everywhere online, could not find anything. So I hope you find this video, and I hope it helps you. So when you first get this, the way you open it is you press these tabs together, pull it out, and it comes with 200 staples. And for the life of me, I could not figure out where to put the staples. I actually tried to put them here and then push the rod back in there, but what you do is you put, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, is you take the staples and put them in here. Take those staples, put them in here, and after they sit in there, you push this back down, and then the stapler will actually work. So took me longer to admit that, took me to figure that out, but I hope this helps you. You didn't have to go through what I went through to try to make this thing work. But just pull the rod out, put your staples, push it back, put the staples in here, then push the rod back. Make sure those two little tabs go, and push all the way flush to this, and then it will start to staple.